In this video, I will show you exactly how to clean up your workspace by archiving old or inactive survey project structures within Typeform. If your dashboard is starting to feel cluttered with past campaigns, following these simple steps will help you stay organized without losing any data. To begin this process, you first need to navigate to the Share panel located in the top navigation menu header of your specific form. Once you are there, look for the Form Status toggle switch, which usually displays a green indicator labeled as Public. Click that toggle to switch the status over to Private. This ensures that no new responses can come in while you are organizing your files. Next, go back to your main Typeform account dashboard interface to set up a dedicated space for your old projects. Look at the left-hand sidebar layout and find your active folder list. You will want to click on the small plus icon right next to the Workspace's header, and then select the option to create a new workspace from the overlay box. It is a great idea to name this new folder directory something very clear like Archive Surveys or Archive for past campaigns, so you can find it later. Once you have typed the name, just click Add Workspace. Now that your destination is ready, it is time to move the content. This is known as the Click option. Find the inactive form card on your dashboard layout and click on the three dots icon to open the Options menu. From that list, select Move To, and then simply choose your newly built archive folder from the drawdown prompt selection. By following these steps, you can keep your active workspace perfectly clean and professional while ensuring all your historical survey data is safely tucked away for future reference whenever you might need it. It is an easy way to manage your growing list of projects smoothly.